Hark! This epic moment we'll be talking about creating comics with Google Tools. It's Mr. Sherman here, and I'm part of the Modern Learning Resource team at the Peel District School Board. Comics or visual literacy is a great way of understanding a story by reading not only the words, but also the pictures. Today we're going to look at putting two Google tools together in order to make your own comics. The first tool we'll be using today is Google's Toontastic. It is a wonderful tool to help you narrate and animate your own cartoon videos. Today we'll be using it in a slightly different fashion. It is a safer piece of software to consider downloading and is available for the iOS and Android systems. When you open the app, hit the blue circle to create a new story. Select the short story option. Select Beginning. Next you'll be asked to pick a setting. There are many to choose from, like steampunk airship and futuristic space base. You can also opt to create your own by hitting the blue Draw Your Own button. I'm going to select that option today. In this space, you have drawing tools at the bottom to personalize the setting for your story. I'm choosing to leave it blank to simplify the process for today's tutorial. As you proceed to the next screen, you'll be asked to add characters, and there are many to choose from. You can even opt to again draw your own. After you do select a character from the library, you're able to select the small blue paintbrush underneath to be able to personalize the character even further. As you select the character, you can edit it with a range of colors. You can even personalize it as an avatar by selecting the small camera option and a region on the character, where you can then overlay your own image or an image from the real world. Once you've added your characters to your setting, you can move them around and articulate them in different ways, getting ready for the first panel of your comic. Choose your device's screen capture settings and take a picture. That screenshot will be useful in the next step. The next tool we will use is Google Slides. It's a great app that's used to present our ideas. It's a safer software option to consider downloading and works on both iOS and Android devices. Once Google Slides is open, create a new slide deck, name the slide deck the title of your story, add in several blank slides on the left, and then on the upper right, use the plus symbol to add in an image. You should be able to find the screenshot you just took from Toontastic. Position your first panel and use the crop tool to adjust the image as you wish. The visuals for the first panel of your comic should be ready to go. Now it's time to add in some words. Find the addition symbol in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Find shapes and then find callouts. Here you'll find a range of word balloons and sound effect balloons. Add in your word balloon, double-click inside the field, and begin adding text to bring your story to life. As you work to complete your visual literacy story, continue the process first outlined in the video, moving between the Google Toontastic app and the Google Slides app until your comic is ready to go. Now that you have a solid process in order to create your own comic book adventures, we can't wait to see what you're going to create. Reading is epic.